you know the fear, cause when you fall, you rise again. Mentally, you're moving.
Jack say, and come on, baby, Pia, or Pia, ocean Jumati. Jumati, Eddie, Jenny. Said the morning in our chipia, yeba, near the personalities up back. No matter betray the journey so far, or more firm to be where they are today. And there, my guest, a strong cry. When you say baby, Pia, or Pia, when you bet ye, so Obettini can you be Pia or free. Nansan, I may introduce my guest, you know. May the acid appear, see, Ebema, a poor for almost like a scene, and I watch you be a yet me edit the Jenny April, it will be Pia or a face so, Meda a joy your poor clothing, I say, one was shame me at that dinner. Me home aye free kama so people wait me follow enjoy your boy J or Instagram na my guest is no other person than my brother, my mentor, my star, my friend Patoo. Papa akwa baba the journey so
yeah I know
na the journey dear oba e was say ma wo achede sonko so this is the flowers.
Wow. So lovely.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, really fair pa. Yeah, so good.
That's radio, your morning show, Patoo. How did you even unyasa interest to be on radio, TV?
Growing up, no.
Okay.
Radio ya there na manage ho. Na nkofo to say those days need GBC.
Okay.
But papa mo ne ma mo GBC wa na me nam Radio 2 it's a commercial system because bro for some me panties from Crabroom and to bro for some ya there na me pepper nti let me take GBC nti bit to say Charlie Sam mo and Samson Queen mo those people nti na on my radio ma kono say me nti most of the times papa epia on camera no only tape cassette da ho no eso abasin because me record e tie me ho I said the Missy sound and there. But you know, would have baby na Jine. So you thought how, when? But then there was that burning desire. Say one day, me so metina radio so and I say metina TV so near there. So and kakran until after secondary school I'm called training college or Wesley College. Wesley College and house prefect. A critique a DB to say radio station or no only cubicle. Intina area ho e kwhye ho kwenti sometimes we call now tea wa ho Simon say you started the I dey be friend FM mic. Nkaka FM mic na ho Samuel we ya ti or the year no ankasa pesa you know say electronics ho nema na anti yeah the kasa kakran that was 1998 at Wesley College. Ti yet said the idea bu okra okwa I mean na me ono wa hwese me mo first year no second year fe no ko third year nti uwi ahunu akwhye ho kakra na ti said also kasa bia oto ho kan no afili sa ana yede mtim papa no ye djuma okoko service division so ye copy doma hinkro nti doma hinkro na doma fm o me so say my guys say me the idea ye nhwe no ade bia me pepa nti na me ball basketball so nti say be free school ba free Wesley College ba doma ahinkra me to basketball no ma to kits I'm Michael Jordan kits top to down near that na ma pair your friend saying ball ni be Spalding we pay different kinds na said e me ba guys no more no almost so humi am ho be your monica. Fortunately for me, one of these days, me called on my secondary school basketball court. So, now guys be nti me no transi din command tin komodi dey one ya nti e ball we later na am so omo radio station be o Doma FM. I said, oh really? But I'm prepared the way I met you.
Which year was that?
That was 1998. Ti a radio no so Kasawian and that was my first time. Yeah, my studio, a radio station, and Kasa, I should have set up the studio. Until me call her, and guys say, wow, Charlie, I say, you were sounding very good on radio. I say, really? I say, okay, but radio there, I had there me pepper, until me go home Fifi. Until me go home Fifi, na Fifi say, men try, until but still so, what I wanted was to get the opportunity to go to Sa radio station Wabra Obi Ampam because previously, you know, let me did me now for Nechineko. They say there because
it's your bonnie not of far and into my old family for win some and Okonya a
Doma FM. So then later man be we na guy back could be a friend Afro Echo so no say me back try say me back me Afro program na dano brofo a me hwe no say I'm ready and for tree enye radio then I would rather me dey jekonya many abrit say krodom me hwe brofo dan nya asem keto me hwe na nkofo a omo FM or premises on they could tell a new guy about around yeah so guys ni na be there humbe pay masema
na ho mame guys no ebe pay na sem ye try ho agenkrato your bar is still the journey. Welcome back to the journey. You go swa any Patoo and echuchi enkomo. Iti enkope pia just enjoy the journey with him. Papa, yantwa akwantu no so.
Fifi emame mid-morning 30 minutes. But 9 to 9:30. My friend, good morning sunshine.
Okay, so from Doma Hono, good morning sunshine. Who na unya privilege na deko sunyan.
Doma hima tuana no monsedo. Ana Sky FM for ebe. And also so no be na yes program na me koye no. Na gospel na me kotena so. Ana Doma Sky FM 14 minka. Ana ombefa me. Nti omba am de me call baby those days we dey share corner baby man be share envelope me hu bi da me je ya na no mse me ko hunu guy be friend a simple man no mama me enwumre e was Sky FM nti no so me boy ya sam na friend me Patoo Banting
Sky when you found the multimedia.
It's quite a journey. Nye back up my journey brutal. Until Sky FM when I'm starting morning show. Elton John or Joy FM when I know a morning show. Waku Commission those days or reporter my Joy FM. No say maintain me city in Oba Sijo me call no feedback in here. Me susu me busy. Yeah me Joy report in identity. Tinam or say me chira na me say morning show. Tinam say me sacrifice back up. Until no say me die na me fa because radio no na be me there.
What sacrifices are there? No, what regretted that?
Me regret it.
What regret it?
Sky FM to Space FM. I feel na kokuntra application bio. E fa kakra na bra, kakra na bra na fe adane say puduo na bra sa na nyankopo adome beleza. Until from to them say Boss FM Kumasi. Until Boss FM Kumasi me say go back to Sunyane.
Okay.
Koboa Tony Bennett, no be radio station, my friend Storm FM. Okay. And I know so along the line, me free her, call me boss, former boss of Space FM, Mr. Hall. And also be new station, be a friend Moonlight FM. But Mr. Hall is more or less like my uncle because now I know who said me free Hannah, me call me friend no so matter. My boy attendance here. So he opened Moonlight FM more or less for me. Same maintenance Sunyane. Okay. One day I say your friend Papa be Kwesi Chum was you in Yame.
Oh, multimedia.
Yeah, bend there. Oh, come on. Emra multimedia about multimedia.
So how long were you at multimedia?
3 months. Interestingly, 3 months because
you have a journey.
Yes, 3 months because me catch multimedia for say me pese me baby play second fiddle to anybody.
Oh, okay.
But time so no nanka Captain Smart na time no call so call Kasapa FM call morning show. Okay. But when yanko. What it mean na me mean since be starting be morning show be say 2 to 3 times or Adom Jackson sem. Ti me born be 2 to 3 times Captain Smart and yanko Kasapa FM no. Okay. So now or say oni one ma bobi na akoye star binti afin so omo ye say ma me kobo kokura ntumi wa sempa de me aminu akaba wanyan baby kono na no obo nti na sembe benchmark Captain Smart kaba And I feel say that opportunity never came. But now come in Kwabena Santini also made just so because I had already agreed with them, say me pese obi ni ho ameye no. Na Bolare Monsu so de ba ya na pa me call Kasapa. Yeah, my boy.
So how's the feeling in Kasapa?
Kasapa is also another journey. Very interesting journey.
Bisa se wa worry o ma.
Ma worry me o Matu.
Matu oba na be ma. Oh wow. Oh wow. Now saying that you refer as wa worry to a radio presenter, a media person, and on how.
Wa family sa.
Ghana has social media no more accepted when it comes to say be a government side or media no.
I think sir I was say media na nkasa na was say EBB to stand out. Media should be able to keep reminding them say this is what you are supposed to do. Wajuma ni we na your office no and yet dine out room and yet car na with them no and yet boss na e no and ma ha your office, but what you are supposed to do, that you know the duties you are supposed to perform and then Emma your office at the man. Say to me yes I there no more. Yes so be ban for so more chance there CTS here.
Okay. You try your own engine craft or your bar is still the journey. And confirm say radio any a massem sebi enenam ujitum say obi oye media person bia epema. The
most important thing is that people will like you, including when they come to you and say on person odomo da.
Jumaya will start through your journey. Has it been any way say obi time war Juma be a yafa womb it will try on empty we are there crying in the faith or tiny sanya for your friend no more kakra.
Papa can't say be me or catch him say me mommy expect to say obia or me beka no cry chrem.
Okay.
Until time bia me mom pa say me share obia on myself. I'm more about you know my all the time because that's the only way I can learn and learn well.
Advice being out the man of person be radio personality to sell be TV personality and then obe catch you nipa or showing to say
I say my catch na say nyankopon ni ma oya ni hwie ni.
Then he was surprised cuz he be my 80 the journey for we say thank you so much.
Wow.
For coming.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. We're
so it's been amazing with Patoo. Meaning set your senior dear and we've gone through the journey now baby or dia babeju. Baby bia or sister minima ejumano e kwa abraboni e empty. Enti Mr. Free Nelkwe what ye Patoo away famu kakra Patoo. How don't find in Akafaka Krabi na fabo brana na ebeye ama uswa yem konimdefo. Aseda kese enkoma aboa for amaso yesen na what you be yet me the journey ebro e wo afie e wo wiase afana nyina nyame enhiramo na aseda bio enkoma mineral touch so why me makeup mama look at this beautiful obetimi follow mina e wo Instagram na wa wie no na wa follow nana Ajwa yeboa eje eye ajwa yeboa eje clothing e was social media on na shematare ama me ho aye fefefe ye wie no Baku Ventures e starle me e na bibia eye kama asem baako e na da bia me di jaw me sinya me wo ma e be ye me din eye Abena Ghana this is the journey.